Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Hi.me VPN. In this Hi.me VPN review, we'll explore my usage experience and help you decide if it's the right VPN for you. Hi.me VPN caters specifically to privacy-focused users, boasting a strict no-logs policy that has been independently audited for verification, ensuring your online activities remain private. A key strength of Hi.me lies in its robust security measures. It employs AES 256-bit encryption, a gold standard in data protection, along with IPv6 leak protection to prevent unwanted exposure of your IP address. The implementation of the WireGuard protocol provides a winning combination of speed and security. With a vast network of over 2,100 servers spread across more than 80 locations worldwide, Hi.me guarantees strong and stable connections no matter where you are. One distinguishing feature is split tunneling, which empowers you to choose which applications utilize the VPN connection and which ones bypass it. This is particularly beneficial for gamers and streamers who might want to route specific services outside the VPN for optimal performance. Another valuable feature is Stealth Guard. This function blocks all internet access unless you're connected to the VPN, adding an extra layer of security, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. Hi.me also includes a kill switch, which prevents data leaks if your VPN connection unexpectedly drops. Optimized for speed through WireGuard, Hi.me is well suited for data-intensive activities. Enjoy lag-free streaming of Netflix and YouTube in HD, fast torrenting, and smooth online gaming experiences. For those wanting to try before they buy, Hi.me offers a free plan. While limited to 10 GB of data per month and fewer server options, it provides a great opportunity to test the service and its features. So, who is Hi.me best suited for? It's an ideal choice for anyone who values online privacy and security. Whether you're a remote worker handling sensitive data, a traveler looking to access geo-restricted content, or someone simply wanting to avoid ISP throttling, Hi.me has you covered. User-friendly apps are available for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and other platforms, making it accessible for users of all technical levels. In conclusion, Hi.me VPN offers robust security, a comprehensive set of features, and consistently reliable performance. It's a top contender for anyone prioritizing online privacy and a stable connection. Click the links in the description to learn more and explore Hi.me for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.